Welcome to our cashonline.com.
Hello! Welcome back to my channel, and this is Jesseline again. Today's video, we are going to make money online using an app. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, hit the bell for more videos notification. Alright, let's go and make some money!
Alright, as I told you guys that we are going to make some money online using an app. So I am here now in my page. This is the app that we are going to use. It says Socialrebel. Next thing you are going to do is you are going to sign up. So just go up here and it says start today. It's free, $50 bonus upon sign up. So just put your name there, username, email, and everything, and then hit sign up, and then there you go. You are going to have a $50 sign-in bonus. But since I am already signed up, so I'm going to log in. So I'm going to log in here. Okay. Right. Okay, so sign in. So as you see, I just did this last night. So this is what happened into my account right now. So I did not yet go through everything in here, but I say social pay. I have some I did the Facebook here already, and then I have already $160 in my account. So as you are going to I shared it on my social media, so I got 7 clicks, and every click is you have $4. And then I post it on my Facebook, and here there's a lot of things you can do, and I did some of the free surveys here, so I earned some money in here. And if you invite people, then you can earn some money also. And this is legit app. So I went to some reviews and they said it's a scam, but there are a lot of people already making money, so I did try to sign up this app. But I am going I have to do everything here, and I give you an update, guys, that if I can cash out, if I am able, cash out the amount that I have here. So as you can see here, there's a lot of people that already paid, and then so this is for now. You have to share. This is your link here, so you just have to explore your an app, your if you are already signed in. So this is it for now, guys, and I'm going to give you an update. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe for more videos notification and more updates of my video about making money cash online. So this is for now, and bye.